Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Thank you for always watching our videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't miss any other opportunities to watch our videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to create an account. If you are looking for a job, you can create an account on Indeed, and then you can apply for a lot of job opportunities in your country or overseas. There are thousands of opportunities you can apply for. So today I'm going to show you quickly how you can create an account on Indeed so that you can apply for a lot of opportunities and use a wide range of opportunities associated with these accounts. So you just click on your browser, you type Indeed and sign up. You click and well, when you come here, there is creating an account or signing in. You can just click on sign in Indeed account, and then it takes you to this page. You have cookies. Usually I don't like cookies, I reject them or I personalize them. So I tap email. Here we are with sinam40@gmail.com, and then you click, and then they said keep your account safe, continue Sinam4, not you, continue with Google. I will choose sign up with a passcode instead. If you want, you can click with the account, so you have to accept and to give some permission so that Indeed can access to your Google accounts. In my case, I will just sign up with a passcode instead. I click on this, and then they send a 6-digit code to my email address. I will check it and I will fill the code that they sent so that it can be submitted. So the code they sent to me is 101219, and there is a set of time. So if you don't check your email within 10 minutes, so the code will not be valid. Then when I type the code, I can create the account. By the way, if you miss to get the code, you can still click on send new code. They will send it to you. But before clicking on send new code, please ensure that your email is a good one. Otherwise, they will send the code but you cannot access to it. And also check in the spam if you cannot find the code. So I create the account. Well, here you can see, if you click here, you can see that I have my email. They said add a phone number, profile. I have to set up all the information on my profile for Sinam4. And here let's try to, you can also skip all this, but I will try to teach you or to show you how to do that. Here it is city and state. When you provide this information, it will help them to recommend you some jobs opportunities around your country or in your country. So let's start with the basics. Where are you located? So they want to know where you are located. Okay, what I'm going to do, skip it for this time. And then they said what is the minimum pay you are looking for. So you can define what is the salary you are looking for. Let's assume that I am looking for $100 per hour. So you can define what type of salary you are looking for, and then I continue. They said what job are you looking for? So job title, I'm not sure what type of job you are looking for, but you put the type of job and they make some suggestion: cashier, cook, nurse. I'm not sure. Let's check cashier. See, so you have cashier, customs service, you have some suggestion, cashier and customer service. Okay, let's take this and continue. So do you have any of these skills? They are asking you to put your skills: communication, so phone etiquette, basic math, retail math, customer service, sales, retail. So you have to pick up some of them. I think by clicking on plus, you select these kind of skills that they are looking for. So you check the type of skills that you have, and then you can continue. Now this time they are asking you to upload your resume. So you can also continue without a resume, but I strongly encourage you or recommend you to put the resume. But in this case, I will make another video to show you how you can make a compelling and appealing resume so that you can upload it on Indeed. So for this time, I will continue without a resume. And as you can see here, they have detected that I am joining maybe from Japan, and they said page not found. It looked like this page doesn't exist or currently unavailable. Please check the URL again. So I don't know what they are saying. So let's try to log in. So I have my page here, register your resume. So I still have my portal. That's good news. So I can register my resume. I can have like some saved jobs, and I can log out if I want. So this is here. Well, and once you have your portal that is already set up, you can come to job search. You click on job search. I'm very sorry because it is in Japanese right now. I will have to set up, but I will let me translate it so that you can see what is it about. So in the job portal, you will type the type of job that you want here. Let me type customer service. Again, I think this has automatically identified my location. That's why it took me to Indeed Japan. I think this is Indeed Japan, as you can see, gp-indeed.com. So you can use Indeed based on your location, and once you type the type of position that you are looking for, you can make job search. And here, once you click on job search, you can see many opportunities are appearing. And yeah, you can also sort by date. When you sort by date, that means you have the most recent jobs, and you can also try to refine your search. So you can search for jobs that have been posted within 3 days or within 24 hours. I mean, like the recent jobs. So you can click on all these points so that you can get these jobs. So just click on it, and then you will find. Let's try within 24 hours to see the most recent jobs. So once I click on jobs that have been posted within 24 hours, you can see we have some jobs, some recent jobs, and there is a high chance of getting these jobs because maybe they have not yet been closed. And these are like some companies hiring customer service position, and then you can see no experience necessary, English, annual income 4 million to 6 million yen. And you have a lot of details if you want. Let's say for this first position, you have details in this area, and you can proceed to the application. So you have a description, what kind of job they are you will be doing in this position, and what is the requirement in terms of profile, visa, skills and qualification, and location. So you have all the details that you can use for application to see if it matches with your expectation. And you have to sign here. Then you can click. If you click on this, you will save this job if you want to apply later. So let's click, and then they said moved to saved. So you have saved this job. Let's say that because we have not yet prepared our resume, then we click on save, and we will come back later to apply for this job. So once you finish, maybe if you are looking for another job, you can clean. Just click on this X to clean this cell, and then you can type another job. For the filtration also, you can clean this, but for now I'm going to leave it within 24 hours search to get most recent jobs. I can also try to refine my search by clicking if you want to base on employment income. So here is what you can expect. If you want 12 million yen per year, then you can click on this. It depends on your skills, your experience. Just click on it and you will find such jobs. Unfortunately, they said there is one job, be the first, free registration. Yeah, I think I still need more things to register, maybe a resume, so that I can get such kind of job. So I will clean it. I don't need. Let's continue with what we were doing. So within 24 hours, we will not focus on the pay. So let's focus on employment status. Maybe if you want to work for full-time or part-time, or a new graduate or temporary employer, you can also select one of them. You can also select based on the company you want to work in. Let's search for part-time jobs. Try part-time jobs. Okay, these are jobs that you can work for part-time, and you have 1,500 to 1,800 per hour. This is per hour, and this is the type of job you can do, and you can add it as a save job to apply later. So yeah, this is all I can say for creating an account on a link on Indeed and to applying for different jobs internationally. So please do not hesitate to use it. Thank you again for watching this video. If you have been interested in this video, please hit a like button to support us, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss future opportunities and video that we will be posting. Again, thank you so much for watching again, and see you in the next video.